Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another live stream. Well, I'm actually in view now. Anyway, today I want to go over a little back testing or just analyzing the market. Okay, I'm gonna show you a few things that I do when I'm analyzing the market. Again, I like to forward test, but I'm gonna show you what setup I saw this morning on gold, right? And I was not wrong. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen. Let me grab my computer. And yeah, all right. As a matter of fact, what screen am I gonna share today? Gold. So welcome to my Instagram. All the new traders subscriber, because this is Queen-Esther. A lot of people from my ministry is on here, but we also have new members that are from the trading community, and I'm pretty sure they do want to know God or love Jesus if they don't already, because a lot of them already do, right? All right, so I'm gonna make myself tiny. I'm just gonna show you the trade today that went to the moon. I didn't remove anything off my computer. All I did saw the setup, positioned myself for the trade, walked away, just came back out from just came back from off the road, and I saw the trade played out exactly like I predicted. Again, you can predict a trade and it can go the opposite way. The market will humble you, but you want accuracy. So what I'm telling you is not just a one-time prideful thing, it's something that I do every day, right? Present. Let's hope I could present. All right. Okay. Go share. All right. One thing I really don't like about this program when I'm trying to share my screen to show y'all something, I can't see myself and it's weird. So I would have to come back here to look. But I'm gonna just make this quick. All right. So today, this morning, I came on the chart. This is actually 3 minutes. So I think I happened to open my chart to the 15 minutes. Yeah. And look, I just look at the chart. When I came, the price was right here. It didn't break above yet this morning, and I was actually late for the trade. I was actually late for the setup if you actually pay attention, because I saw this, there was three trades. Right here, it was an entry, but it's never too late. Then right here again, I saw another entry. And then right at this break was another entry. But when I saw the trade this morning, yeah, this was already gone. It was right here. Okay. So I dropped down to the 5 minutes. So all I did was look at the chart. I looked at the chart. It was on the 15 minutes that I was analyzing. All I did was read the candlestick right here. What is it? What's happening right here? I saw that nice rejection. I saw this engulfing. It didn't engulf only one, but two. So, and then here's the pattern, the pennant that it actually broke as well. So I did enter the trade here, right? Enter the trade here, and it came back. It came all the way up there. Yeah, I put a buy stop. It's a buy stop. So Basically, if you're not gonna be at your chart and you think that price is gonna break this level or whatever, you could put a pending order. Okay, a pending order. So you could do a buy stop or a sell stop, and I forgot what the other one is called. It's like when you expect the price to go up and then come back down at a specific level, like what happened here, and then it automatically enter the trade right here again. Okay, so I did went down to the 5 minutes, and as a professional, yeah, I do call myself a professional trader right now, because your psychology need to be nice to be entering this market. So what I've been doing lately is not drawing any levels or anything, but I'm looking at the charts and I'm doing it in my, I'm just using the knowledge that I have, right? And I'm looking like, what is price? I'm just gonna zoom in based on what I'm seeing here. Based on the candlestick, what do I think price is doing right here? Right? Price is at this area right here. And if you look, you're not look if you're looking back, you can see there's nothing. So again, if you're practicing, I'm just looking at what I'm seeing in front of me right now, right? And that's what I did earlier. So I'm looking right here. So this is gold, right? And I should be analyzing for the next one. But as far as I'm seeing price going up, right? And I'm seeing a little rejection here. That's a hammer. And it's just getting small. I would watch here for a little bit to see if price is gonna turn around or go up. But if I want to be more mature with what I'm doing, if I feel like it's not clear enough just by looking at it, again, I can draw all kind of stuff on here, right? So if I go to the 1 hour, what is the 1 hour telling me? Because what goes up must come down. And based on the 1 hour, price did break and pull back. Price is continuing. Again, based on the 1 hour, price can pull back and continue, or price could just continue straight up. So when you know the levels and things of that sort, it will be easier to determine, because price broke past this area right here. This is a very significant area, all right? So if I'm not really sure by just looking without drawing anything on the chart, I'm going to come to my bigger time frame, all right? So price break this area as well on the 4 hour. So it depends on the volume. It should get a pullback. Look at the daily. I think this gold is making new highs. Okay, so if I go to the monthly, ooh, if I go to the monthly, you could see that gold skyrocketed. I think that's the highest level gold has been. See that? Yep, that's the highest gold has been. So you want to stay with the trend, right? But when it makes new highs, don't forget that the pullback or the reversal will happen, but it's a matter of when. And this is where price action comes in and you paying attention. And also the news is important with gold. All right. So this is the daily. Up, pullback, up. It can go continue up, but or pull back. So I would have to see. I need more candlestick to tell me what's next. But the more you go to the lower time frame, you see more. This is a nice rejection hammer, which is telling me, all right, they're still buying pressure happening, right? So I'm still with the bias for buying. All right. And when you take trade on the 4 hour, it's good to take trades on these because the setup are more mature, but it takes longer. So you see this huge candle. Again, if you had enter right here after the break, you would still make money, but you don't want to sit down and wondering what's happening. You still want to go with the bias, but you want to go to the lower time frame. If you go to the 1 hour, it show you more. Okay. So on the 4 hour, you have four candles. One, two, three, four. Okay. Four consistent candle going up. So gold is definitely in a buy right now. If I was live this morning and y'all was on chart, you could have caught that trade. See, the more that you go down, the more clarity it gives you. Price broke, pull back, and it's continuing up. All right. Nice hammer candle right there. Right. So maybe price can come back down a little bit, continue up. As far as I'm seeing, it's buys. Okay. But when the market reopen, because the market is closed now, but I just wanted to go over. Once the market reopens, I'm still gonna watch my setup, but I need a nice entry. I need a pullback entry if I'm gonna enter. And again, there's so much way to enter the market. There's nice support, right? If you can tell price is doing nice, beautiful support, then we're gonna watch right here what is happening. I just need a next candlestick, couple candlestick. I can literally look at the chart like I'm doing right now, and I have no other reason to not be looking for a buy based on the candlestick that I'm seeing. But then if there's another candlestick that comes, then maybe my decision can change. But that's literally how I examine the chart. I don't draw the lines and stuff first as I used to. I just practice doing the chart beer. And that's how you develop like a very powerful psychology, okay? But I do like to take trade under 5 minutes. But yeah, so here's the breakout trade today. There's so many option. There's so many entry on this gold trade, like this level, right? See right here, prices at this. Okay, so say I didn't see none of this right here. Only thing I saw was this one candlestick. What would I do? I would have entered the trade on this candlestick. Why? Because I know price action, I know market structure. Do you understand me? I could just look at the market and say, all right, it's gonna go. Take the trade, take my profit. I don't be holding my trade 10 years to go up here. See right this here, take my profit. If you go to the 2 minutes, I don't know why the 2 minutes not shown on here. Okay, let's look at the 3 minutes. Right here. This is a lot of, see, I'll take the entry here, take the entry here, literally can take your profit here, you're still making money. Okay, it depends on your lot size. Don't think this is a lot. You can literally, this right here and this right here can be $5,000 based on your account size. This here and this here could be $1,000 based on your account size. You don't need to hold the thing all the way up here. But what I like to do is, if I see it pushing, I'm gonna trail. Okay, but if price come here and I see tarry, I take my money and go. But this is actually a beautiful trade on the 3 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute. Well, I'm coming here. If I open my chart and I see this alone without this, I would have entered the trade right here. This is my setup. Price is at a level at my zone, and I'm seeing a 1, 2, 3 engulfing candle. This is like a pre-breakout from the breakout trade. There's so much trade in this one little area here. All right. So I tell you, when you know what you're doing, you make money. All right. And once you have the knowledge and you're really good at it, why you think all these millionaires be popping up with trading, quitting their job and all this stuff? Okay, it takes them time to get there, but they did the work. Once you do the work, you get the reward. You don't feel bad when you're making your money. Okay, price is still in a nice, beautiful uptrend. You see that? Wow. And this is the 3 minutes. You see the big difference on the 3 minute versus the 5 minutes. I do like the 3 minutes. I look at, I do my analysis on here because if you do the 15 minutes is very powerful as well, but it doesn't really show you the setup or entry as quick as the 5 minute. But again, sometimes you enter, like, let me show you. All right, so this level right here, this is a tweezer bottom candlestick. Okay, again, I know my the price action. I know to read the candlestick, but I'm gonna draw a little area to show you the difference. Wow, I see this. I'm gonna enter the trade. Let me do this in different color. Green. Okay. So at the 5 minutes, you see that? On the 15 minutes now, look on the 15 minutes. Oh man, on the 15 minutes, it's actually more beautiful. But sometime on the 15 minutes, um, this is one candle, right? But on the 5 minutes, there's three candles that give you, it can actually give you more confirmation, right? That, okay, let me enter the trade. Because look at this. So no, I'm going to show you where I would have entered the trade. And let me see if it's the same area on the 15 minutes. Again, you always want to check your 15 minutes if you're not sure. Okay, so don't think I'm saying the 15 minute is a bad thing. The 15 minutes is actually more powerful with confirming your entry if you're really not sure. So I would have entered there. On the 15 minutes, okay, this is what I mean. So you see where my entry would be on the 5 minutes? On the 15 minutes, you get later entry, but they are more see, this is what would be my entry. By the time I enter here, the market's already gone. But if you want sniper entry, you want earlier entry. But again, if you're trading on the 15 minutes, entering right here is beautiful because look at this nice rejection, this nice, powerful momentum candle. What do you call it? Marabuzo. It kind of look like that, and this nice, beautiful wick. And there's, oh my, listen, if I come on the chart and I see this, I'm just gonna click buy. I literally, that's why I be opening the chart. I'm like, oh wait, look, buy. Again, it's not easy as it sounds, okay? But it's easy for me now because I'm on the chart every day. I did the work. I do what I have to do. And again, the market can still humble me. Okay. So that's why my risk, I don't risk what I'm not willing to lose. And that's something that's very important. All right. So that's the trade today in gold. Whoa, that was a beautiful trade. And if you do look at it, it's a double bottom. Okay, a double bottom. There's so much reason I would have entered this trade, which I did. But when I opened my chart, it was already up here. But I still got an entry, right? So for a safer entry, you would wait for the break. So there's breakout trader, there's break and retest. Sometimes I mix the trade. I look at what the market is telling me, right? Okay, so it looks a bit marked up. When you're mature as a trader, you won't marry your thinking. You're gonna adjust to the market, right? So where is this? Okay, right here. So if you realize the market did break, and pull back. So see, it break and pull back, right? So if when I entered at the break, it pulled back, I was still safe, and then it shot up. Okay, market went there. Now, how much was it? Hold on. A long position from where is it? I think it was like right here. As soon as I opened the chart, I saw the trade. Okay, so where was it? Right here. Um, I don't be leaving my stop loss all the way down there. All right, I have tight stop loss. All right, so and if most people want to be safer, they put their stop loss here, right? And if you look left, there's not much, but a lot of people would hold it 1 to 3. Me, I don't need no 1 to 3 to make money. Okay, my goal is to be in and out. I'm a scalper. Again, I do know how to do long-term trade. If I'm seeing a nice, powerful push, I'm gonna keep trailing. But my stop loss is not gonna be here. My stop loss is gonna be here. Okay, so you see, your stop loss plays a big part. So it moves from a 1 to 3 to a 1 to, look at that. So say my stop loss is here. Let's be realistic. My stop loss was around here. All right. And the take profit, look at that. Now, if I'm trailing, my take profit was like, where was it? It was like a 1 to 5 trade. But I barely stayed in the trade long. And then there was also another entry. Okay. So price went up, come back down, went up, come back down, and then it continued up. A lot of people would hold the trade and wait for it to come down and go back up. Me, when price come, I'm taking my money. When it pulls back, I'm gonna take another entry. When it go up again, I'm making double versus holding the trade that can literally reverse back. All right, so that's some psychology for you right there. Now think about it. You're in a trade here and price is here, right? So I'm just gonna take my money right here. So say right here is 5,000. I take 5,000, but then price went up to 6,000, but then it pulled back to 3,000. Now some of you are worrying because you honestly, if you know market structure that good, but the market can do anything. So when the market comes back here, I have my $5,000 secure and I can enter again right here. It might not be the best entry, but at least I know I secure my $5,000. I enter again and it goes up here. I close right here, right? Right here. Literally, I could trade from here to here, and that's going to be another $5,000 based on your mindset and your account that you have. All right, so me holding the trade here to here was another $1,000. I'm going to close the trade, right? So that's $6,000 already. Instead of holding the same trade down here that reverse all the way back down to 1,500. You see me? So if I was just holding the trade, I'm back to 1,500 versus me securing $6,000. And the trade did go up here, and you made like $10,000. But I entered again here, and guess what? I made $10,000 as well, plus the $6,000 I already secured by closing. And again, I don't go in the trade that much. You know, if it's a mature trade, I'll hold it. But that's the mindset. It adds up. Take your money and go. Okay. Some of you are in the over trading and holding the trade forever. Okay. So that's the trade setup for today with gold. All right. This is easy way how you can make money with the stock market. You need knowledge, you need a mentor. All right. Just copy me, copy what I do. Join the group, join the mentorship. You can literally be making money before you even have all the knowledge. Because when I'm doing the trade and doing all that, I'm going to say, If you want to enter, you enter at your own risk. Don't think you're going to enter the trade and then you're going to say, oh, Queen Esther. No, it's your choice to enter the trade, but I can show you what I'm thinking. And again, the market can skyrocket, hit your take profit in the blink of an eye. You can also have a pullback, but with proper risk management, you shouldn't even be losing that much money. Do you understand me? But the goal here is win. We've been winning. We've been winning and building account and helping the members in my group pass the test. So if this is something that you're interested in, definitely check out the community section, the description section below. You go to my website, you see the programs available. Okay. And I do have a discount, 50% off with the word favor in capital letter. Okay. So the group mentorship right now is on sale for 1,000. With the coupon is going to be 500. The personal one too is 50% off. That's a steal. Now, if you're really serious and you're ready, jump on it. Join. Use Afterpay. No excuse. Okay. I'll see you in the next live video. Have a beautiful day. Stay blessed. All right. So here I am thinking the stream is ended. It's still here. Oh, and don't forget, ask Elohim to help you with knowledge with trading. Do you understand me? If you think it's too hard, he answer all kind of prayer. All right. If you don't know Jesus, make sure you open your heart and receive Jesus today as your Lord and Savior. For you to even hear him, you need to have access to him through the door. Who's the door? Jesus. Okay. So open your heart today and receive salvation. It's a free gift. All right. That's how I got my breakthrough in trading. Praying, listening to the Holy Spirit, you know. So if you need help and a guide, then Queen Esther and the Holy Spirit is here to help you. Have a beautiful day. Stay blessed.